Thanks.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes, tell us briefly about yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Arpit Jain. I belong to Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from NIT Kurukshetra in 2019. And since then, I am preparing for the civil services. My hobbies are playing cricket, kabaddi, and teaching.
But Arpit, can you please adjust your, the way you are sitting posture with the computer, because otherwise you are appearing to be a little too distant from the screen.
It's fine, sir.
Even now, it is much more. You can't raise the computer to your level of face.
1 minute.
Yes, now I think it is slightly better.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have done your mechanical engineering from NIT Kurukshetra.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So you didn't try for campus placement and all?
No, sir.
Why?
Because, sir, my aim is already defined that I have to pursue the civil services.
Civil service.
Yes, sir.
Very good. But why this? I mean, you have anybody in your family or your friends who are qualified?
No, sir. Actually, when I attended many seminars during my second and third year in the college, I realized that the civil services is the job that I have dreamed for. That provides me an opportunity to work for the society, to work for the nation, and in a very diverse field. So I decided to go for first civil services.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. You are from NIT Kurukshetra. Tell us something about the importance of Kurukshetra.
Sir, Kurukshetra is a place where the war between Pandavas and Kauravas in the Mahabharata was fought. It is also the birthplace of Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. You have been to that place?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, have you read Bhagavad Gita?
No, sir.
Any part of it? Do you know anything about Bhagavad Gita? What does it try to teach us? What is there to learn from Bhagavad Gita?
Sir, it tried to teach us that the path of the truth will always prevail. Oh, the path of truth will always prevail over the path of the wrong.
Anything about karma?
Yes, sir, that our own karmas will lead us into the sorrows and the joyness in our life. No one else.
Does it talk about the three gunas, different gunas? Satvik, Tamasik. Do you have any idea?
Sorry, sir, that I will don't.
You don't know. Okay, you did your schooling from where?
Sir, in Badot, in Bagpat district.
Any name of the institution? I don't have your this thing.
Sir,
what is the name of your institution?
Sir, in 12th class, institution is JP Public School.
No, there is something called Kumkum Modi. Who was Kumkum Modi?
Sir,
it's written here, Kumkum Modi Public School.
Yes, sir.
Sounds like a lady name, is it? Kumkum?
Yes, sir, I think so.
So you have any idea who was Kumkum?
Sorry, sir, I don't have idea about it.
Acha, you never bothered. And JP is what? JP,
sir, JP is the founder of that school, JP Public School.
No, what is the full form? JP sir, means what?
Sir, Jagdish Prasad.
Not Jay Prakash. Okay, now mechanical engineering. One or two very simple questions. Yes, what is the difference between a petrol car and a diesel car? Is there a difference? What is the basic difference?
Sir, in petrol car, in the intake stroke, air and petrol is injected in the cylinder, and petrol is ignited through the use of a spark plug.
And in diesel?
In diesel, only air is inducted, and the diesel is injected after the compression, in which the diesel is ignited through the use of high compression ratio.
Very good. What do you understand by nanotechnology? What is
nanotechnology? Is the emerging field in the science which deals with the particles of the size of the nanometer, in which their properties change.
What are cryogenic engines? Cryogenic engines. What are they?
So cryogenic engines are those engines that works in a very low temperature.
Very
Cryogenic
low
field.
temperature. Very low
Yes, sir.
means how low?
Sir, I'm not sure about the exact range. It will be around minus 270 degrees, minus 150 degrees Celsius around. I'm not very sure, sir.
Mhm. I'm sure you must have come to Delhi. You have visited Delhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what do you think of the traffic in Delhi?
Sir, the main problem is the traffic congestion, which is very
Yes.
high in Delhi.
So, what can be done to reduce the traffic?
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, we have to promote the public transport and persuade the public to go to the public transport as possible. So for that, we have to ensure that the more number of buses and the buses are available. And plus, there is also the more women safety in the public buses. Another issue is the, sir, another.
So how to force people to use, you find more, many people just going alone in the car. There is
Yes,
no
sir.
pooling. You know the concept of pooling? What is the
Yes, sir.
concept of pooling? What is pooling?
Sir, in which many people can share a single car to go to the office. But some people prefer to move alone in their cars.
Okay.
Yes,
You belong to which state? Sorry, your biodata is not with me. You are from which state?
Sir, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Which district of Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, Bagpat.
Oh, Bagpat.
Yes, sir.
Bagpat, some very prominent politician. I mean, who is no more? Can you name him?
Sir, Chaudhary Charan Singh.
Charan Singh.
Yes,
And
sir.
his son? He
Ajit
also
Singh.
passed away. No, recently he passed away.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, some people say that UP is too big even today. It should be bifurcated. Will you advocate that? Will you advocate that?
Sir, there are both sides of it. If we bifurcate a state due to the administrative convenience, then we can do the development based on the region requirements. But sir, bifurcation is not the only solution for the development. We can also develop the big state through the balanced regional development if there is a political will to develop all the regions with keeping in mind the topography and the diversity of each and every region. So sir, bifurcation is not the only solution for development.
No, but it is a fairly safe solution, no? You see Uttarakhand.
Yes, sir.
See, earlier it was part of UP, now it is separate. They have progressed pretty well, no?
Yes,
Similarly, Jharkhand.
Yes, sir.
So you feel there is no point in bifurcating UP?
So if there is a people's demand for the administrative convenience, government can bifurcate it. But sir, it is not necessary that only bifurcation is the solution. If there is a political will and the people participation in the development, we can develop, sir, in spite of big state.
You seem to be fond of Kabaddi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, they say Kabaddi should be included even at the international level.
Yes, sir.
Olympics or whatnot. At least there is some few people are clamoring for it. Now, which are the other countries where Kabaddi is played? Are you aware of any other country?
Yes, sir.
Which countries?
Sir, one is Iran, Iraq.
Iran, Iraq. Okay.
Yes, sir. UAE, Oman.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in India, where it is most popular? Within India? Kabaddi?
Sir, in North India, Haryana.
Oh, what is so special about Kabaddi? What part of Kabaddi you like? Why do you like Kabaddi so much?
Because of the, sir, the balanceness which we have to make. There is a balance required between the eyes, the bodies, and the full coordination of the body is required while playing Kabaddi.
Look, that is required in most games.
Yes, sir.
In most of the games, you need to have a balance, no?
Yes, sir.
But what I thought was it is the best, cheapest game. You don't have to invest anything.
Yes, sir.
Unlike cricket, football, tennis, golf, and all
Yes,
that,
sir.
wherein you have to invest a lot of money. Here, anybody can start off, and you need any ground
Yes, sir.
anywhere.
Yes, sir. We can start it
How many
anywhere.
How many players are there normally? In a
7
Kabaddi?
players. 7 players in each team.
Okay, thank you. Sinara,
Yeah. Arpit Jain, good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, fine, sir.
Okay, you have done BTech Mechanical from NIT Kurukshetra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Why do you have a very, very poor opinion about police service, you see? And do you think that the job which they do is not important?
No, sir. Police services and all services are very good for me, but due to my less height, I'm not qualified for the police services.
oh,
How do you know that?
Because sir, the required height is I'm not of that much.
Okay, and that is why you didn't opt for it, you see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But is there any restriction of height in the foreign service also?
Yes, sir. Forest services also.
In foreign service also?
No, sir. Foreign service, no.
Then why is the foreign service number 7 in your preference? Why do you have again a comparatively low opinion about foreign service, diplomacy, and diplomats and all that?
Sir, I don't have any low opinion about the foreign services, but I prefer to work in my own country, and that's why, sir, I prefer other services over it.
No, but I get the impression that you are more interested in revenue service and all that for some maybe other reasons, you see. Otherwise, foreign service is a very good service. Offers you tremendous opportunities to contribute.
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
definitely, sir, it is a very good service, but keeping in mind the family requirements and the requirements, so I prefer to work in my own country.
But if you get into the IAS
Yes,
and
sir.
you are posted in a foreign country, some embassy,
Yes, sir.
then what will you do, you say?
Sir, if I posted in another country, then I can also manage my work and family life balance. Like I can call my parents through the online medium.
Okay. You have been teaching children, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
How long?
Sir, from the after 12th class, from the first year of my graduation.
Okay. And what are the subjects you teach children?
Generally, physics and mathematics.
And what is the age group of children?
Sir, mostly around they are in the 10th, 11th, 12th class, around 15, 16 years.
They are big boys, you see, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Big boys. Now, have you heard of this term pedagogy? What is pedagogy?
Sir, I've heard, but I am not able to recall.
Pedagogy is something to do with what you are doing as a passion, you see, teaching.
Yes, sir, it is related to teaching, but I am not able to recall.
What are the requirements for a good teacher, you see? What makes one a good teacher?
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, a good teacher should take into consideration all the needs of each and every students, because the one size fits all approach will not work in teaching, because each child has a different mindset, they are different requirements of teaching. So keeping in mind the requirements of every child, they should focus on each and every child accordingly. Another one is the teacher should be punctual, sir, because a child learns many qualities from the teacher. If teacher comes late in the class, then child will also learn that from the teacher. So that quality. Another quality is a teacher should be creative, should be innovative. So teach students in an innovative way, just not focus on the rote learning.
Very good. You see, you have given some good points. But
Yes.
Can you describe 2-3 values which you try to impart into your students apart from the subject?
So, one is honesty, one is punctuality, one is respect for the elders, another one is the team spirit, group, team cooperation, leadership.
How many children do you teach together?
What's that?
How many children do you teach together?
Sir, around 8 to 10.
Okay. Now, coming to a little bit, different. What is sustainable development, Arpit?
Sir, sustainable development is the development of the present generation, keeping in mind the needs of the future generation, so that we use the resources in such a manner that they do not threaten the use by the future generations. Future generations also have the resources to use with them. We have to use the resources in a very sustainable manner.
Mhm.
Yes.
And what is India doing to attain the goals of sustainable development?
Sir, India is doing on many fronts to achieve the goals of sustainable development. Like we are shifting our energy from the fossil fuel based energy to the renewable sources of energy. We are also committed to generate our 40% of the energy requirements from renewable ones by 2030. Plus, sir, we are also focusing on the reducing the poverty by the many programs of the government of India, like the MGNREGA, that provides the unskilled employment to the people. Plus, we are also focusing on the inclusive growth. We are also, sir, aims to reduce the hunger through the enactment of the NFSA Act.
Okay. And what is the global framework, which we are following for sustainable development? What is it called?
Sir, that is INDCs.
What is the INDC? Just one part of that. You see, what is the overall global framework?
So that is the 17 SDGs goals.
So SDGs are there, isn't it?
Yes,
17
sir.
goals are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And have you heard of SFDRR?
SFDRR.
Sendai framework. Have you heard of
Yes,
that?
sir. Sendai framework for disaster risk reduction.
Yeah. What is this?
Sir,
What is the meaning of this word Sendai?
So Sendai is the place where this framework was signed in Africa.
Where is that place, Sendai?
Sir, it is in country in Africa. I am not recall about that country.
Okay. And why was Sendai chosen, you see?
So that I will read about it.
It could have been Tokyo Declaration also.
Yes, sir. I am not sure about, sir, aware about the region.
Are you aware of the triple disaster which took place in Japan in 2011? Any idea?
No, sir.
Oh. Okay. And have you heard of District Disaster Management Authority?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it was created under the National Disaster Management Act 2005, which provides the creation of the National Disaster Management Authority, State Disaster Management Authority, and the District Disaster Management Authority. Okay. It provides for the decentralization of the disaster framework governance, where the district magistrate and the other local officials can take the steps that are suitable for that district.
So if you are posted in a district, supposing Bagpat district you are posted.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be your role vis-a-vis the DDMA, District Disaster Management Authority?
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, we have to coordinate among the all ministries that are responsible for the coordination for the events during a disaster. And sir, then we have to identify which disaster the Bagpat is prone, and we have to plan our strategy accordingly.
Okay. And who will be your vice chairman in the DDMA?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Have you heard of 73rd and 74th Amendment of the Constitution?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, they provide for the democratic decentralization, and they provide constitutional amendments to the local panchayats and the municipalities.
Okay, Arpit, thank you. Over to Sharma ji.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Arpit. What does Arpit mean?
Sir, Arpit means dedicated. Dedicated.
Okay. You know about Pragati? What is Pragati? It is an acronym. It stands for
Pragati.
Pragati.
Sir, proactive governance and the timely implementation.
Right. That is, you are right. Whatever you said. What for?
What, sir?
What exactly is that? Acronym.
Sir,
you said that's right. So what?
Yes, sir.
What exactly is that? Yeah.
So it is for the monitoring of the government schemes, so that the service delivery is in timely manner and the quality service delivery. So our Prime Minister will coordinate with all the states so that the government schemes will be delivered in a timely and quality manner.
Okay, your optional subject is also mechanical engineering.
Yes, sir.
What is mechatronics? Mechatronics.
Sir, mechatronics is the field in which there are the mechanical instruments which use the concept of electronics like the sensors and the actuators.
Okay, you are from state of Uttar Pradesh. So DEF
Yes, sir.
Expo was organized in Uttar Pradesh. At which place
Yes.
and when? In which
Sir,
year?
I think in
Huh?
2019 Lucknow.
Lucknow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what the theme was? Theme of DEF Expo.
Sir, I think, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Okay,
right now.
Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister, while inaugurating that DEF Expo said, Make in India, for India and for the world. What does that mean? Make in India, for India and for the world.
Sir, he said that we have to cut down the import requirements of defense products, and we have to make that defense products in our own country. That will generate employment opportunity and also cut our import bill. And sir, that defense products will be used for our own country, for our armed forces, and plus we will also export them to the different countries.
What is AK-203?
What, sir?
AK-203 rifle. Have you ever heard about it? And where it is to be manufactured and being manufactured rather in Uttar Pradesh? AK-203 rifle with whose collaboration at which place in Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, I'm not very sure. I think with Israel collaboration.
Indian Ordnance Factory. Which place? Amethi. Anyway.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now you tell me what is the importance of digital technology in governance?
Sir, the importance of digital technology is manifold in the governance. First of all, it will promote more transparency in the government operations, which will increase the trust between the citizens and the government. It also provides the quality service delivery in a very short span of time. Citizens will not have to go to the government offices. They can avail the government services online with their ease and with their comfort. It also promotes more accountability on the government part because there is a more transparency and the people are responsible if there are any lacuna in the system.
Okay, big solar plant was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister and French President. Where is that located and when was it inaugurated by these two?
So International Solar Alliance was inaugurated in the year 2015.
15?
Sir,
No, international solar. I'm not talking about International Solar Alliance. I am saying that a big solar plant was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, and
Yes,
French President. So where that plant was inaugurated?
sorry, sir,
Jointly inaugurated by these two dignitaries. In Uttar Pradesh, that was inaugurated.
Sorry, sir, I will read about it.
Okay, what is this GEM Yojana? J-A-M, GEM Yojana, J-A-M.
It is a Jandan, it stands for the Jandan, Aadhaar and the mobile.
That's right. Why Haryana is doing better in sports as compared to other states?
Sir, because there are many incentives given to the sports person and their contribution is recognized at the every level, so that the many sports person are also emerging from the Haryana. Plus, there is also a good infrastructure available for the sports person, which they utilize them for the betterment there.
Okay, what is special about braking system in Vande Bharat? Brakes. These are different than other trains. So what exactly these types of brakes are?
Sir, I'm not very sure. I think they are electric brakes.
What is cloud computing? What do you mean by cloud computing?
Sir, cloud computing, in cloud computing, there is a cloud which the old data is stored on a centralized database, and we can obtain that data from that cloud.
What do you mean by 3D?
So
3D printing. 3D
yes,
printing.
So 3D printing is the additive method of manufacturing in which there is a model which we have to create, and that model is created by the use of layer by layer method of the printing.
Okay, where is the largest 3D printed building is located in the world? Largest 3D printed building.
Sorry, sir, I will read about it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Harpreet,
Yes, sir.
you know what? I'm amazed with the speed with which you speak
Yes, sir.
and the way you reply. Why are you in such great hurry? Eh? Now, please, try to speak a bit slowly, organize your thoughts, answer to the question, and be modest. If you don't know, you say, I don't know. Don't guess.
Okay, sir.
Number of places, times you are guessing, which is very wrong, you know. Intellectually, you have to be honest. Nobody can answer every question, you see, and that's not expected. But what is expected is intellectual honesty. Your personality is being judged.
Yes, sir.
So you will have to slow down your speed. You are speaking even faster than Tamilians. I am a Tamil myself, but too fast, really. So that is one thing generally which you should. Anyway, you had just passed out. This is your first attempt. Am
Yes,
I
sir.
right? And
Yes,
you
sir.
have come up to this stage. So I'm sure you will make it one day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But
Yes.
prepare yourself
Okay, sir.
thoroughly and go with with confidence.
Okay,
And
sir.
you still have time to prepare yourself. Now, do some reading. What papers are you reading?
Sir, Indian Express and Hindustan Times.
Read only Indian Express. Don't read Hindustan Times. Read one
sir.
economic daily, Business
Okay, sir.
Standard or Economic Times or Financial Express or something. We didn't ask you for want of time anything on economic issues. Otherwise, a bit about budget, economic survey, RBI, monetary policy, all these basic things you should know, inflation,
Okay,
things
sir.
like that. So
Yes.
prepare yourself. You are very good. And
Yes.
don't get disheartened. Have a couple of more interviews, mock interviews. You are bound to succeed. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Organize yourself. Organize yourself.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Sinha sir.
Yeah, well, I'm really happy to see your personality was young. You
Yes.
were smart. You were smiling.
Yes, sir.
But then I was also wondering, the way you come out, with the speed with which you speak. Many times it appears as if आपने जो रटा हुआ है ना, something that you are just trying to, bring out and pour outside. You see. ठीक है ना कि भाई जो आंसर्स आपने रटे हुए हैं उसको धड़ धड़ बता देना, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट इज अ डिस्कशन, यू सी.
Yeah.
है ना, तो इन द डिस्कशन it is better if you can come out as a thinking young man, thinking individual, who is having discussion with the board on various issues, whether current affairs, issues of the economy, issues of international relations, issues of other aspects of the country, social, cultural, all that, etc.
Yes.
So thinking,
Yes.
you will have to moderate this, otherwise somehow this doesn't really make a good impression. You see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And when is your interview scheduled?
So 26 August.
26th August. Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you have 2 months still.
Yeah,
Yes.
you have got some time, you see there.
Yeah.
You can do the rehearsal, okay, and you concentrate on DAF. DAF is very important from the point of view of interview.
Okay, sir.
And then with these improvements, you have got a fairly good chance, you see.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Sharma ji.
Yeah, अर्पित,
Yes, sir.
मुझे कुछ और अलग से नहीं कहना है. आपकी पर्सनैलिटी बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन वो बुलेट ट्रेन की तरह नहीं भागना है, है ना?
Yes.
वेरी हाई स्पीड भी नहीं चलेगा, सेमी हाई स्पीड चल सकता है, तो उसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है बहुत अच्छे से.
Okay,
वो एक थोड़ा एक तरीके से नेगेटिव पॉइंट आप जैसा सर ने भी कहा कि ऐसा लगता है कि वो आपको याद है और आप कैसे जल्दी से उसे बोल देना चाहते हैं, मगअप करके आए हैं और उसे कैसे मैं जल्दी से बोल दूं, ऐसा आप करते हैं. कुछ ऐसा लगे कि हाँ आप कुछ सोचकर बोल रहे हैं, और जहाँ एम्फेसिस डालने की जरूरत है वहां पे एम्फेसिस डालिए. थोड़ा मतलब इस तरीके से आपको ध्यान रखना है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है.
Okay, sir.
न्यूज़पेपर भी आप पढ़ें तो जोर से पढ़िए और उसे स्पीड से मत पढ़िए ऐसे, है ना. तो अभी
Okay,
2
sir.
महीने आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी,
Okay, sir.
काफी टाइम है, ठीक है ना। आपके
Yes,
कोई और कलीग हैं तो उनके साथ बैठ के आप भी उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछिए, आप उनसे पूछिए, वो आपसे पूछें, इस तरीके से। अदरवाइज आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, सारा पर्सनालिटी मतलब कोई भी और कमी नहीं है, लेकिन ये अच्छी खासी कमी है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना। कभी कभी तो पता ही नहीं चलता आप क्या बोल गए, कभी कभी,
Okay, sir.
है ना। So keep that in mind, and I hope you will get through. Work hard. Still 2 months are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best.
Sir, one question.
हाँ
Hello.
हाँ
हाँ,
बोलिए
बोलिए।
बोलिए बोलो।
सर इसका क्या रीजन हो सकता है कि सर मैंने IAS नीचे रखा है, क्या सूटेबल रीजन सर दूंगा उनको?
सीधा साहब हमें बताइए। नहीं नहीं रीजन क्या, आपका प्रेफरेंस है ना,
Yes, sir.
आपने सर्विस प्रेफरेंस की बात कर रहे हैं ना।
Yes, sir. Yes, I have foreign
You're
service.
an English candidate. You are given your preference. You see, when
Yes,
you
sir.
give preference, it reveals the personality of the person.
Yes,
Your
sir.
likes and dislikes, they
Yes,
come
sir.
from your preference.
Yes, sir.
You know, and that of course has to do a lot with your height and weight and your other interests.
Yes, sir.
So there. So when you give a preference, now some people give income tax as number 1.
Yes, sir.
So we can immediately imagine what sort of person they are, what they are looking for, you know,
Yes, sir.
the service.
Yes, sir.
You follow.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this service preference reveals to some extent your personality, your values,
Yes,
and
sir.
what you are looking for
Yes, sir.
in government.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
given that understanding, you have to fill in that. Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
And by chance, if you get what your preference is, then you should be happy and you should be able to serve. That's
Okay,
again
sir.
another thing. You
Yes,
follow.
sir. Yes.
हाँ,
अच्छा मिस्टर अर्पित,
sorry.
Yes,
हाँ.
एक रीजन आपने ये साइड किया था कि आपकी हाइट कम है। मेरे ख्याल से आपके देखने से ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि आपकी हाइट कम है। आप देख लेना कि वो ग्राउंड सही है कि नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से सही नहीं है।
मेरे हाइट
Sir,
क्या
I-
है
हाँ,
आपका? आपका
आपकी
height क्या
हाइट
है?
देखने से कम नहीं लग रही है। आईपीएस
height
का
क्या
जो
है
रिक्वायरमेंट
आपका?
है,
IPS में सर
कितनी
कम है,
आपकी
158 सेंटीमीटर।
158
8. Yes, sir.
और what is the
और
minimum
रिक्वायर्ड
required?
है?
IPS 165 सेंटीमीटर।
नहीं, आपका इतना कम तो नहीं है।
इतना ही है सर।
7
खैर जो भी है,
चलिए, जो भी है
एक-
आप उसको और एक बार देख लीजिए कि कहीं ऐसा सच है कि नहीं, है ना। और
Yes,
रहा इसका कि क्यों भरा क्या भरा, ये तो आपका जो भी जवाब हो वो आप
Yes,
उसको सब्सटेंशिएट करें, जो भी रीजन दें। इसका कोई स्टैंडर्ड आंसर नहीं होता है
Okay,
कि ये क्यों नहीं भरा, वो क्यों नहीं भरा,
या
है ना।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
जो
अच्छा,
भी आपका
हार्दिक,
जवाब हो
ये बताओ
उसको
आप हिंदी में ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है इंग्लिश में? आई एम आस्किंग
हिंदी।
दिस बिकॉज आप हिंदी में बोलेंगे, थोड़ा धीरे बोलेंगे मेरे ख्याल
Yes,
से।
sir. Yes, sir.
इंग्लिश में जो स्पीड है वो हिंदी में नहीं होगा।
Yes,
लेकिन
sir.
आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं सर, ये है दिक्कत।
बोल सकते सर।
आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं
नहीं, अभी नहीं, आगे के लिए भी मतलब
जी।
ये ध्यान रखिए। If you are comfortable, I don't know. My guess is you may be better off with Hindi, the speed and
Yes.
other things.
Yes, sir.
चलिए खैर, very good. Otherwise, your confidence is good. Work hard, हो जाएगा आपका. You will get something. Don't worry.
Thank
All
you,
the
sir.
best.
Okay, okay, all the best.
Thank
ऑल
you,
द
sir.
बेस्ट।
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.